20 years ago, this car was worth £30,000. I know there's other cars out there that will be competing with ours, but I just think ours is going to be better.
So as in the old cliche, there's everything to play for, or more accurately, everything to fix, and the work starts here.
Well, we know what our job's this is,
Yeah, we do.
but what are we going to start on first?
Why don't we see if we can manually get this roof down? Because it's give us some space.
It does sound like we're going to be manually opening a can of worms.
Yeah.
I like it.
Manufacturers always build in a manual override for when these things go wrong. And, well, this hood's gone wrong, so we're going to manually override it.
Shoving a hex key into the slot in the roof is where the magic starts.
So apparently, these two cables here are part of the whole thing. It's kind of like pulling a ripcord on a parachute, isn't it? You don't know if it's going to work or not.
But that feels unlocked now.
Okay, I'm going to give these... Oh, hold on. While struggling to get the roof on this car open, I've found the key. This in there, that comes as part of the key of the car. Take your key out. Not only do you use it to undo the front, there's a little pressure release valve here. So if I just give that a little turn, that should release the pressure in the rams. Now we're thinking that this lot will come back. Right.
Okay, that's out. Yours out?
Yes.
Oh, mine is out.
It's moving. Right.
It's on the move. Hold your horses. Ho, ho, ho! Okay, so
Okay.
theoretically, so this push from here.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Oh, that's ace.
Okay, that's
Oh,
cool.
yes. And I've still got all of my fingers.
Me too.
I like it.
Just into the workshop, and the roof is already in place, even if it's still dead. I've left Will to see if he, with the smell of sausages, will just hurry up and find the fault before lunch.
What are you doing there?
Barbecue.
Ooh, good lad.
Yeah, I smell it.
Okay, now. Oh, that's great. Looking forward to that.
That's not an easy fix, is it?
I think that's this car all over, isn't
I
it?
think it is, yeah.
I just need something now for the rest of the day.
Go on, let's do that. Do the interior, shall we? Yeah.
Yeah.
When Mercedes launched the SLK, they were very proud of this dashboard covering. I remember them talking about this soft fill, but it hasn't stood the test of time. In actual fact, you can rub it off with your finger now. I don't think we're going to find another interior that we can put in that will be any better than ours. So I think we're going to have to find something to do with it. I think we've made it. There. That looks better.
Sensor on the other side of the car. You can test them with a multimeter, which is quite handy. I found